Hi everyone, my name is Juliana, and today we're going to talk about SMART goals. What are SMART goals and why are they so important for English learners? Whenever you are learning anything, it's important to set SMART goals. Let me give you an example. You're learning English and your goal is to speak fluently, right? Well, that's a good start, but it's not clear enough. Can you define fluent? And when do you know you've achieved fluency? It's a big goal, so you're likely to get frustrated and give up. SMART goals are so much more effective. Let me explain how they work. S stands for specific. You need a specific, clear goal. M stands for measurable. Are you halfway there? How can you measure that? A stands for achievable. There's no point in having an impossible goal. R stands for relevant. This goal is aligned with your bigger goal. T stands for timely, because in the end, you still need a deadline. I've done another video that gives examples of really good SMART goals for English learners. You can find the link below and book an English lesson so that we can show you how it works. Bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out our other videos. You can find loads of useful links in our description below. Let's get started.